Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you one of the most significant developments in the world of psychological assessment in India. We, the team of psychologists in the world of academia and practice, together we have developed a test called the brain-based intelligence test. This very test comprises of two broad segments. One, what we call as Plan X, the executive planning, and the other, what we call as I2, information integration. Plan X comprises of abilities such as cognitive flexibility, such as inhibition control, working memory, fluency, the ability to plan complex problem solving. Similarly, the test for information integration that constitutes broadly our ability to successively process information. What is most important about BBIT, the brain-based intelligence test, are manifold. The most significant of that is that it is a test developed for the Indians, by the Indians. Second, and for those who look at the technical aspects of psychometric test, the significant feature of this test is considering the versatility of the Indian population. Children right from a younger age to young adulthood, all of them coming from different parts of India, they have been taken into account for the purpose of validation of this skill. The normative tests, the significance, their importance lies in the fact that the norms were evolved considering the exact nature of the population for which the test is meant for. This is unlike the other kind of tests for intelligence which is available in the market. Many of them which are the tests adapted from the Western world, or some of the tests which does not comprehend the cognitive ability, the intellectual ability in totality, the way BBIT does. Third and the most important thing that you will realize, that there is no single test in our country which, considering Indian norms, would tell you the broad spectrum of the cognitive ability of your child or the adolescent or the young adult, nor would it tell you the clinical aspects that should be taken into account. For instance, somebody who has issue with neurodevelopmental issues such as autism spectrum disorder, somebody who has learning disability, somebody who has ADHD. So right from the normal population to those who are of significance from the clinical perspective, this is one single test which can allow you to gauge, quantify, and to exactly, precisely, concisely pinpoint the cognitive ability of the given child or the given young adult. I would urge all of you, those who are in the world of cognitive assessment, those who are in the world of assessment of other kind of psychological qualities, those who are in the education domain, those who are in clinical practices, and those who are into hardcore research, you just try this very test, the first of its kind in India, for Indians by the Indian experts, which has taken into consideration the wide spectrum of versatility that we find in our country. So I highly recommend that this test be given priority compared to all other tests that you have been using for centuries. Thank you very much.